Hello, welcome back to my tutorial. My name is Lucky and actually from Web System Network right now. And well, today I will be teaching you C++ concerning a while loop. How do while loops work? Well, for us to do that, we have to do the practical of which I'm going to teach you or walk you through. Right now, let's say a user want us to build a program for them that will allow this program will check if the password match or if it does not match. If the match, when I say you have logged in, if it does not match, we want to continue printing that please enter password, enter password, enter password up until it match. Do you get that? Now, how do we do that? Let's declare an integer variable or a string. Let's just say string password, and then let's set it to equal to web system network, web system network, network. Or let's just make it a bit simpler. Let's just say WSN. That's our password. Let's just use that one, and then terminate that one as well. And then string password entered. This one will be holding what the user entered on the screen. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna say cout, please enter the password. Please enter the password for you to log in. Well, if your password doesn't match, we need to take you out of our system. We don't want unauthorized users to enter our system, mess up our things, so we need to protect it. So please enter password. We want to store it here, and this where do while loops comes in. While password entered is not equal to password, what do you want to do? I want to say cout please, okay, sorry, password does not match. Great. End line as well, and let's tell him to enter a new password. Enter or re-enter, that one would be much better. Send re-enter the password, and then end line as well, and then we want to store that inside password entered variable. So okay, right, now let's run that and see what we do, what happened. Let's call that password validation. No, while loop creates password validation. Right, so let's save that. Hopefully there's no error. Right, it worked. So this is our password that is in the system. This is the program is telling us to enter password. And so let's say Lucky, say sorry, password does not match. Lucky, sorry, password does not match. Precious, sorry, password does not match. 1 2 3 4 5. Sorry, password does not match. Re-enter password. Okay, WSN. Sorry, password does not match. What? Look, there's WSN here. Why did you say sorry it does not match? This is capitalized and this is small letter. So let's just use WSN. Oh no, it terminates. You see, it terminated because this is how while loops work. In as much that your password is wrong, we don't want you to enter our system. We want you to remain outside. You get it? Amen. Don't access our system. Remain outside up until your password is correct. And so when it's correct, when it matches, you just quit. And then maybe you could have said, well, let's just say see out access granted. Let's just end that line as well, end line, and then let's just run it again and see what we do. Okay, enter password because right now pillar key. Oh no, look why. Okay, great. WSN capitalize. Access granted. Go. We have not logged in our system. You have built a perfect password validation structure, wait, while, loop. So please don't forget that. Hopefully it's clear and understandable. Don't forget to subscribe. Please leave a comment if there's any question in your mind, and also copy this and paste it on your code if you wanna say, or practice, because practice makes perfect, or practice is the desired outcome of being perfection, as a software developer. So you must practice because it really help. Build project, it will help you. If you are looking for project to build, please leave a comment below. I will tell you which project to build, and you'll be good to go.